representing Barangay Kahuluan.
San Nicolas, good evening to each and everyone. My name is Vanessa Ventura, representing Barangay San Roque.
Bukas San Nicolas, I'm Winston Prado, representing Barangay Kakabigawan.
San Nicolas, good evening to each and everyone standing in front of you. I'm Janine Fit, representing Barangay Calaucan.
Bukas San Nicolas, my name is Richard Paul Misias, representing Barangay Salpa.
San Nicolas, my name is Karen Jagunadillo, representing Barangay San Isidro.
Bukas San Nicolas, my name is J.P. Lampa, 16 years old. It's my honor and privilege to represent Barangay Kaminduluan.
San Nicolas, I'm Jocelyn Andonde, representing Barangay Kaminduruan.
Bukas San Nicolas, my name is Javier Mendasi, representing Barangay Pangasinan West.
San Nicolas, hi, good evening to each and everyone. My name is Rita Gavillo, representing Barangay San Rafael Centro.
Bukas San Nicolas, I'm Bruno representing Barangay Santo Tomas.
Bakit natin sa